In this video, I'm going to explain what is meant by virtual subtotal range. So for example, I have applied SUMIFS function here and COUNTIFS function here. What if I want to exclude the hidden row? So of course, in past, we apply the helper column, we just apply subtotal, we drag the formula, and then on SUMIFS function, we include those conditions whenever this column become equal. But now we don't need those helper column anymore. And using BYROW function, we can simply generate virtual subtotal range. So for example, if I write the formula BYROW, actually the BYROW function loop row by row and perform action, then move to next row. And I select all of the helper column, position column. Let me apply lambda. And for the lambda function, my parameter is x. Let me just click on this question mark. And formula expression in this case, a subtotal I will use. For the subtotal, my function is 103. Since 103 is a function which is actually COUNTIFS function, and this exclude the hidden row. And for the range, I will simply define x, close the bracket for subtotal lambda, and by row hit enter, and this will generate me a new range. And what if I off, let's say, the third row of the data? I hide the row. Now you can see 1, 2 and the third row is hidden. So this will return a 0 for us. And this range is very useful because if I just copy all of the data set and go to my SUMIFS function, remove the bracket, put a comma, you can see criteria range 2. So I'm just going to simply paste this function, and for the criteria, I will include 1. Since whenever the row is visible, they return 1, and when the row is hidden, they return 0. So we will include 1 as a condition, and SUMIF just hit OK. So this will sum all of the rows which are visible. Now, for example, if I just hide this row, the result will automatically update. Even we can use this helper range in COUNTIFS function. So simply criteria range 2 and criteria 2 is 1 and hit enter, and this will return our result. Now, for example, if I off any of the senior row, this will exclude those rows on our calculation. So this is how we can use this virtual subtotal range in our formula. Not only we can use this on SUMIFS COUNTIFS function, but we can also use in filter function. For example, if I just cut my virtual subtotal range and I just go to senior position, I'm just going to Control V. Now the benefit of cut, this will simply copy the reference of the sheet as well. So this is very useful. Now if I just cut this result from here, and in filter function, I'm just removing the bracket, condition 2, whenever this result equal to 1, close the bracket, hit enter, this will exclude the hidden row. So this is how we can use this virtual subtotal range in SUMIFS function, COUNTIFS function. Even we can use in COUNTIFS simple sum function if we just want to exclude the hidden row. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel for more important video. Thank you so much.